Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Yvette. Today we will be making some very healthy protein banana pancakes. I have a ripened banana, which I do not like my food to go to waste, so I will be using that, and 1 egg, and then we're going to use a little bit of this protein, which has tons of vitamins and minerals. And we're also going to use a little bit of this baking powder. We're going to start by mashing our banana in a bowl like this with a fork. Next step, we're going to crack the egg. And mix. A little bit of the baking powder. Continue to mix. One-fourth of the protein powder. And then you'll whisk everything together really well. Okay, my friends, once your skillet is hot, you will be using some sort of oil or butter. I'm going to spray a little bit of this cooking spray. So that it doesn't stick. And I've decided to make one big pancake. So I'm just pouring the whole thing in there. And let's see how it turns out. It smells delicious. It smells like vanilla and banana. Once it starts to bubble up like that, then you're going to turn it over. Yummy. You put it on low heat so it doesn't burn. Give it about a minute. Okay, my friends, here we are. Looks like our pancake is ready. Yum, yum. Okay, our delicious pancake is ready. So I'm just going to top it off with some mango, some fruit, and some sugar-free, low-calorie syrup. I do recommend this protein. It's from Immunitech. It's on the go shake. You can make shakes, which I did make one in the prior video if you'd like to see that. I recommend it because it's very healthy. It's got amaranth. It's got 12 grams of protein. And it's got 22 vitamins and minerals, 2 grams of fiber, and it's only 120 calories. They have different flavors. This is a vanilla. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like and subscribe. Thanks for joining me for breakfast. Have a great day.